Hi, I'm Jamila from Color Me Crafty, and Create Room sent me this Dreambox in exchange for my review. But all thoughts and opinions are my own. So this is my second Dreambox.
I've been a huge fan of Dreambox and Create Room since as long as I can remember. When I first saw the very first one I ever saw, I believe they were called the original Workbox back then, but I fell in love instantly. This is my second Dreambox. My first one was ruined in the flood, and I had actually ordered my new one already. It might have been the next week. I got an email that asked me about joining their influencer program and giving my thoughts and opinions on the Dreambox, and I was elated that I was chosen to give this review. The Dreambox comes in 3 different types. There's the white ergo, the white shaker, and farmhouse gray. Here in this video, I'm going to show you what I did with mine and talk a little bit about why I love it. Okay, let's go.
I had a flood recently and it destroyed all of my storage. So this Dreambox actually replaces my old one. I chose the Dreambox initially because you can store tons and tons and tons of things in this Dreambox. There's so much room. There's so much room for all of your crafts. There are these amazing totes that you can store things in, and then there's the shelves underneath, and then you even have this shelf here and your doors to store things on. The reason why I went with Dreambox the second time is because it is very, very well built. It's the perfect solution whether you have a small space or a large space. It's pretty long. It's longer than the length of my arms, but it closes completely. So as long as you have enough room to swing out those doors, then you have enough room for the Dreambox. One of the drawbacks is the price, and it is pretty pricey, but it is worth every penny. As I said, it is very well built, it's nice and sturdy, and it'll last you for years and years and years and years. The one mistake that I made with my first Dreambox that I did not make with this one is I did not get the pre-built service. I decided to attempt to put it together myself, and for me it was really difficult. So this time around I did get the pre-built service, so it came in 3 pieces, and all I had to do was put these doors onto the big part of my Dreambox, and then put my legs on and put my shelves in, and then all of these. I added the covers to my containers using cardstock. I just wanted something that fit my personality and something that also matched my blog brand. If you're thinking about getting a Dreambox, you can use my code Jamila Payne Dreambox. I love the table. The table has 3 height settings. You can bring it up to waist width so that you can stand and do a project and not hurt your back. You can also have it where I have it here, and it's the perfect size for a chair to go under. There are many different ways you can set up your Dreambox. You don't have to use the setup that I have. The Dreambox comes with these jars so that you can put all of your smaller little trinkets in, and the storage bins even have dividers so that you can store things and also separate them. In my old Dreambox, I had all of my paints on the door, and I decided to put them up in a storage bin this time, and I like this a lot better. This look a lot better. The Dreambox also comes with these rods where you can hang ribbon or your tapes or other different things. The thing I love most about my Dreambox is that I can store so many things in just this one space. The only thing that I can say that I would change if I had the choice to change one thing about the Dreambox is the way that the table comes down. When you lift it up and put these legs in, there is no, like if I drop it, it just drops down. I did add some cabinet stoppers so that the drop wasn't so hard, but that is one thing that I would change. And that's my Dreambox. Let me know what you think below.
The Dreambox is super easy to maneuver and the wheels on it glide like butter. To open it, you just open the left and right doors first, and then those front panels fold out also. And once you have opened the doors, you can now let the table down. So the table has 3 different heights. There is a hinge to hold it while you adjust the legs so that it doesn't fall on you. It does slam down pretty quickly if you're not holding it. That's what I was talking about in the video as far as putting cabinet stoppers on it to kind of slow it down from when it's coming. And that's my new Dreambox.